Hey guys, welcome to week 5 of 7. So we only have a couple weeks left, so we're going to be finishing up Unit 3 this week and starting Unit 4. You guys do have a Unit 3 wrap up, which is timed, along with some quizzes that are not. So please make sure you're completing 9A, 9C, so you do have previews, your lessons, your practices. Don't forget your mid-semester project is due the 13th. If you have any questions about that, please reach out. This is a large portion of your grade. Please remember projects are 45% of your final grade. Your Unit 3 wrap-up, please make sure you're completing this on time and emailing me with any questions. If you want to review before your second attempt, I'm happy to do that as well. And then you're going to go ahead and start Unit 4. So again, this mid-semester project and your Unit 3 wrap-up are the two big assessments for this week. Please make sure any questions at all, you're emailing me, you're stopping by the office or student hours, and I'm more than happy to help you guys with those. So again, we are in week 5 of 7. We are going to be completing Unit 4 in week 6 and 7. Week 7 is going to have a little bit of a break so you guys can do your end of semester project, and you'll have about 2 lessons to do that week. So I hope you guys all have a great week. Please reach out if you guys need anything.